Welcome to the Sunbelt Rentals Workshop. We're glad you stopped by. Here at Sunbelt Rentals, we believe every successful project begins with confidence in using our tools. Let's talk about the gas chainsaw. Whether you're cutting down trees or trimming branches, this powerful tool gets the job done. Now, before we jump in, let's review some important safety instructions. To protect yourself, you should wear safety glasses, reinforced leather gloves, protective footwear, chaps, and a helmet with ear protection. You will also need bar and chain oil to lubricate the chain. This prevents damage to the saw when it heats up. Remove the protective cover from the chain and inspect it carefully. The chain should be about 1/8 of an inch tight. Wedge a nickel between the chain and bar to check the tension. You should be able to pull out the nickel with a little resistance. A chain will naturally loosen as it warms and wears. If it is loose, you can tighten the tension screw at the base of the bar. Simply loosen the guide bar nuts and tighten the tension screw. Then, retighten the guide bar nuts. A loose chain is always a safety concern, so be sure to check it before each use. To start the chainsaw, you will need to put it on the ground. Starting a chainsaw in any other way is never recommended. Before you start it, you want to push the brake forward with your left hand until it engages. You can pull it backward toward the handle to unlock it. Switch the choke to the on position and push the air release valve to purge air from the fuel system. Hold the front handle with your left hand and put your right foot in the rear handle. Pull the cord once the chainsaw is in position. If it doesn't start, give it a few minutes to rest before trying again. When the saw starts, squeeze the throttle to release it from high idle. You are ready to make your first cut. Pick up the chainsaw and hold the front handle with your left hand with your arm straight and elbow locked. Put your right hand on the rear handle, arm slightly bent. Now, get in position with your legs apart for balance and pull back the brake to unlock it. Squeeze the throttle to make your cut. After you're done cutting, turn off the ignition switch and set the saw down in a safe place. Be aware that the engine can stay hot for a while. Wipe any debris off the saw before putting the protective cover back on. Well, there you have it. You can rent this and thousands of other tools and equipment in-store, online, or in-app at Sunbelt Rentals. If you need additional assistance, check the operational manual or call 844-SBR-TOOL. Thank you so much for watching, and come back and see us again before your next job or project.